Here we have a 1995 R1100RSL. See, lowers, that denotes the L model. The ones that catch on fire all the time if you leave them idling. So the issue with this is it doesn't crank over. Customer has removed the battery, sent the battery back to the manufacturer. The manufacturer tested it and claimed there was nothing wrong with the battery. Shipped it back, customer reinstalled it, hit the starter button, just goes click, 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 and that's it. I would stick those plugs back in the caps. Let's see if this thing will frickin' turn over. I am unfortunately suspecting the worst and thinking this engine may be seized. Contact. What's that?
Turn it off.
Off.
It's going.
Turns over. Okay, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. Contact again. That fucking, man, that's just sucking that battery down to shit. A digging we shall go. So here we have the battery from the RS with whatever notes are on here. Good, 280 cold cranking amps. 4/6/2012. 4/14, 4/4/13, unused ever since. It's got 10.4 volt static under a load. 5? I ain't gonna cut it. Should be 10 under a load. That battery's shit. Let's put a battery in it. So with our Westco battery installed, cranks over just fine without the spark plugs. So now we'll put some copper anti-seize on the spark plug threads, reinstall the plugs, torque them to 20 Newton meters, reinstall the plug caps, and see if this will start. Westco battery installed. Pull that out. I hit that all the way out. Yeah.
I put the plugs in, I swear. That don't sound right though.
It's not got any spark. Pull one spark plug cover and a lead. The quest for spark. It's got spark. Some people laugh at me when they see bikes stored here with these little orange frickin' butt plugs stuffed in the end of the muffler. There's a reason for those fucking obnoxious looking little things. I don't even have one on right now. Whatever. Here's the reason you use those. While not quite as dramatic as I was expecting, you can see that some little motherfuckers have been living in there. bike runs, it can go home.